In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Docs as a desktop app. If you use Google Docs a lot, opening it in a browser tab every time can get a bit repetitive. Turning it into a desktop-style app makes it quicker to access, keeps it separate from your other tabs, and helps it feel more like traditional software on your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up using your web browser, and how to pin it so it's always just a click away. First, open your preferred web browser. This works best in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, since they support installing websites as apps. In the address bar, type docs.google.com and press Enter. Sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in, and wait for the main Google Docs homepage to load. You should see your list of recent documents and the templates at the top. Once the page is fully loaded, look up to the top right corner of your browser window. In Chrome, click the three vertical dots, often called the More menu. In Edge, these are three horizontal dots, but they serve the same purpose. From this menu, look for the option that mentions Apps or Install. In Chrome, it will usually say Save and Share or Install Page as App. In Edge, it may say Apps and then give you an option like Install this site as an app. Click that option. A small window will pop up asking you to confirm the name of the app. It should automatically suggest Google Docs, which is perfect. You can leave the name as it is and then click Install. Your browser will now create a standalone app version of Google Docs. After a moment, a new window will open that looks like Google Docs, but without the usual browser interface and tabs. This is your new desktop app. To make it easy to access later, go down to your taskbar, right-click the new Google Docs icon, and choose the option to pin it to your taskbar. On a Mac, you can right-click the icon in the dock and choose to keep it in the dock. From now on, you can open Google Docs directly from your taskbar or dock, just like any other program, without hunting through browser tabs. That's all you need to install Google Docs as a desktop app and streamline your workflow.